You searched how to buy shares of Nokia Oyj. Nokia is a Finnish telecommunications and network equipment company listed on Euronext with the ticker NOKIA.PA, and this content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Open the broker search box and type the ticker NOKIA.PA to find the correct listing. Select the result that clearly shows Nokia Oyj on Euronext to ensure it is the right stock. On the Nokia stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it matches Nokia Oyj. Make sure the exchange shows Euronext and the ticker Nokia.PA to verify the instrument. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you wish to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed or queued. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same example.